Our next award presenter will be Miss Kathy Williams.
Morning. The Sammy Sewell Memorial Scholarship is a one-time $500 cash award. It was created in 2014 after the death of our classmate and friend, Sammy Sewell. Sammy was one of those people that everybody loved. He had a smile that was unforgettable. His unwillingness to help others was unbelievable. He proudly wore the number 88 on his jersey as a wide receiver on the football team. He played forward on the basketball team and was a major contributor to many team wins. His daughter Jasmine is here with us. Did any of his other family make it today? But ladies and gentlemen, I'll give you Jasmine Sewell. The recipient of the Sammy Sewell Memorial Scholarship is awarded to a college-bound student who meets the following criteria: minimum GPA of 2.0, actively participated in any LHSS-recognized ASH athletic program for 4 years, show a willingness to help others, and of course, have tremendous Trojan pride. This year's recipient has been a member of the powerlifting team for his freshman and sophomore years. From 10th through 12th grade, he was a member of the track team for 2 years and qualified for the regional competition as a member of the 4x2 relay team. During his junior and senior years, he played football, and this year was named offensive captain for the year. This fall, he plans to attend TCU and be a walk-on member of the football team. His mom calls him one thing, but around here, I hear they call him Squirt. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor and privilege to award the 2014-2015 Sammy Sewell Memorial Scholarship to LaDarian Parker.